We've been working on a pedestrian safety assessment on West Street. The U.S. Department of Transportation this year is really focusing on bike and pedestrian safety and asked each state to do a bicycle or pedestrian safety assessment. So we looked at traffic data and crash data for pedestrian crashes and identified a section of West Street from Pine Street to Whale Street as an area that had a particularly high number of pedestrian crashes. First thing we did is look at that data, try to determine what were some of the causes of the crashes, and then a week ago there was an actual assessment out on the street where we walked the section of street with Rutland citizens, local officials, police, and tried to identify some issues that were of concern, both from an engineering standpoint, so whether crosswalks needed to be remarked or how well the pedestrian signals were working, and also from a behavioral standpoint, so were there things that pedestrians were doing or drivers were doing that were making the street less safe. There's a local stakeholders group. We've all been working to look at the information that was gathered from that assessment, and ultimately in a month or so we're working on drafting a report with some recommendations to see how things could change on West Street to make things safer for pedestrians. And another hope that we have for this whole process is that this will be an outline of steps that other communities can take. They can use this same process that we've used to make things better in their community.